In this video, we will learn about structures, aka structs, in C++. A struct is a data structure that we can use to group several variables that are related. Let's look at an example. At the top of the code, we will include the string header file. To create a struct, we begin by using the struct keyword. Then we provide a name for our struct. Let's name it phone. After that comes a pair of opening and closing curly braces. Inside of here we can add some variables. Let's add a string variable named OS, a float variable named price, and an int variable named memory. There are a couple of key points to note here. Each variable inside of a struct is called a member. So in this case, OS, price, and memory are members of our phone structure. Notice that unlike the array and vector data structures that we learned about in the last section, which can only store one type of variable, a struct can have members of different types. Now we have defined a structure named phone. The next step is to actually create a phone. Let's create a variable of type phone and name it Google Pixel. We can specify the values for the different properties of a phone. Let's assign our Google Pixel an OS of Android. To do this, we type Google Pixel, then a dot, and then the name of the member variable, OS in this case. We will also assign our Google Pixel a price of 100.00F and a memory of 16. Now our Google Pixel is recognized as an Android phone with a price of $100 and a memory of 16 gigabytes. To prove this, let's print out the different properties of our phone. We will first output the string Google Pixel, and then a new line. After that, we will output the OS, price, and memory of the Google Pixel respectively, each prefixed with 2 spaces and ended with a new line character. Then we will output another new line character at the end. When we run the code, notice that the properties of our Google Pixel were output to the console. Let's create another phone. This time we will create a variable of type phone named iPhone 6s. We will assign it an OS of iOS, a price of 50.00F, and a memory of 8. Similar to how we did for the Google Pixel variable, let's output the values of the iPhone 6s's OS, price, and memory to the console. When we run the code, notice that the iPhone has an OS of iOS, a price of 50, and a memory of 8 gigabytes.